Hello, welcome back to Chinsel Tutorial. This is Cecil Tabuena. Today, I am going to teach you on how to import data from web to MS Excel 2016. Instead of copying each one by one of the data from this web and then pasting it here in MS Excel one by one, I am going to teach you on how to do it the faster way. Let's start. So here is the example. Our goal today is to copy all the data from the exchange rate table to MS Excel. Let's copy the URL for the first, and then open MS Excel, click on data, and then click the get data, and then select get data from other sources, and then choose from web, click on it, and then paste the URL which we copied from here. We will paste it here, and then click OK. You will notice that for each format here, the item showed here, this one, and this one. So all we have to do is to just load whatever we prepare for this format. So we're going to choose this table one, which is the more complete one, and then load. And now we already have the details or the data from this website going into this Excel format. It's done. Hope this helps. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.